All right, so now we've got, we're mixing two different substances. They have the same mass, and we're not going to be able to just average the temperature. So it turns out that T final is not equal to, well, that was a bit dramatic. T final is not equal to 28 plus 60 divided by 2. So again, T final is not equal to 44 degrees. So let's actually figure out what it is. So we've got Q lost equals Q gained. Now, if you run this by Mr. Mobley, he's not going to be happy because he has this whole sign convention. He's like super smart, and he has some fancy Yale University way of doing it. I'm going to use like the Midwestern Purdue University agricultural school, engineering school way of doing things. So we're not as fancy in Indiana. So we've got Q lost equals Q gained, and all I want to do is just work in absolute values. So we've got M times C times delta T. Again, this is for the water, and that's going to be M of the alcohol, C of the alcohol, delta T of the alcohol. That's just the gain. And I just want to work in like absolute values and positive numbers to figure out what's going on. So I've got 200 grams of water. C of water is 4.2, and what's going to happen with the water is it's going to heat up. So we have T final of the water minus 28 is going to equal 200 grams of alcohol. It's got a specific heat of 2.3, and its temperature is going to lower, so it's 60 minus TF. Again, just working in absolute values. One thing that'll happen is this will end up canceling, and we can do a little bit of math here. So 4.2 TF minus, again, I'm getting 117.6 equals negative 2.3 TF plus 138. All right, so I'm getting 6.5 TF equals 255.6. And so when we solve for our final temperature, we're going to get TF equals 39.32 degrees. All right. So it's kind of like the alcohol heats up more because it takes less energy for it to heat up. That's kind of how I say it. So yeah, so the alcohol needs less energy to gain temperature, so it heats up more. There we go. More than the water cools down. So alcohol needs less energy to gain temperature, so it heats up more, and it heats up more than the water cools down. So that's the last question of the practice test. We'll go ahead and put these on Haiku, and we'll have a third test ready for class, and I'll put solutions up for that one either later today being Tuesday, or tomorrow evening, which is Wednesday.